Ay, si Red. Sige, sige. Kumain ka na? Hindi nga, wala nga akong handa eh. Hindi na kayo naawa ta. Apilis. Paawa ng paawa. Thank you. Pero guys, thank you. Magbe-birthday pa lang ako dito. After 2 hours. 1 hour na lang pala. Ay! Boss, ayan pala. May cake pala. Salamat, boss. Sorry, boss. Sorry, boss. Lumipad. Salamat po. Did you really think I just forgive and forget? Oh, after catching you with her, your blood should run cold, so cold. You're two-timing, cheap lying, what be you're a fool. If you thought that I just let this go, I see red, red. Uy, mahiya kayo, si boss na nag-request. Kayo, asa naman pa-cake niyo sa akin? Head to your head, now all I see is red, red. 1K lang nun. Did you really just say she didn't mean anything? Oh, I remember those words when it come for your soul, your soul. Know that you dug your own grave, not lying it. You're so cruel, but even she's a dish so cold. I see red, red, red. Daya nyo, I gone to your head, head to your head. Executioner style, and there won't be no trial. Don't you know that you're better off dead? Well, I see it's red, red, ooh, red. Now all I see is cake. Where's my cake? Di niyo talaga ako mahal. Wala man lang pa yung pa-cake sa akin. Ano regalo niyo sa akin? Kwento? Run, hide. Oh, you're so dumb. Better sleep with one night open tonight. I see red, red, red. Makikik na yan. I gone to your head, head to your head. Sabi nila pabor sa amin. Kissing us down, and there won't be no trial. Don't you know that you're better off dead? Well, I see it's red, red, ooh, red. Now all I see is red, red, red. All I see is red means nothing. Hirap niya naman. Thank you! Maraming salamat po sa pa-cake. Thank you, boss.